Hi and welcome back. Today we are making probably the easiest and quickest dinner that I have shown you on this channel. It is pancetta, basil pesto, and gnocchi. It's all done in under 15 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes, and it's a super delicious meal on a weekday when you don't have much time or energy to cook anything for a long time. Pancetta is very salted, so you don't need to add any extra salt in this recipe. If you use good old bacon, then you can add some more salt. And that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed this quick meal. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.